Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Verasity. Recently on a daily time frame chart after breaking out this down channel, Verasity has found another short-term resistance here at $0.0064 that was previously breaking as a support here and resistance here and support here. And now for the past several days, it is working as a resistance. You can see that when it was moving inside this channel, the pricing got rejected by this resistance of $0.0064. And after breaking out the channel, the price and is once again rejected by the resistance and dropped down at the previous resistance of the channel and retesting the resistance of the channel as a support. And at the same time, it is also trying to break out this resistance of EMA 21 on the daily time frame chart. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you a very big breakout from this big falling wedge pattern that is happened on the 7 days time frame chart. And after that, Veracity also broke out another falling wedge pattern here. But recently, you can see that after this drop, and on this 7 days time frame chart, the price line has also broken down this very significant support of Ichimoku bearish cloud that was previously breaking as a resistance, and now it was breaking as support for the past few weeks. But now we have broken it down, and again, it can break as a resistance for the price line. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Veracity that I shared, by the way, on 22nd of November 2023 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gardner pattern that Veracity formed with US dollar pair on a daily time frame chart. And this was a complete trade setup. This was a buying zone and sell target zone in the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied slightly beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 37% pump on this daily time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Veracity, and this is the daily time frame chart. And recently you can see that for the past several days, since after 5th of March 2024, it was moving inside this channel. And while moving inside this channel, the price line broke down so many significant support levels. And here, by the way, we found a very nice support at $0.0049. In fact, this is a complete support zone from $0.0049 to $0.0045. And previously, this support zone had been breaking as a support zone here. And again, it worked as a very nice support zone here as well. After this drop, you can see that the price then tested this support zone here, did not break down the support of the channel and re-entered the same channel that was getting broken down here, but did not break down. And now recently we have broken out the resistance of the channel, but could not break out this next resistance of $0.00644 that was previously breaking as support here and resistance here and here. Recently you can see that for the past several days it is breaking other resistance, and before that has been breaking other resistance and support and resistance here as well. Therefore, not to continue this rally to the upside, we will still need to break out this resistance, and before that we will also need to break out this EMA 21 resistance as well. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this down channel that is here at the top of the channel, that is approximately at 1.56 cents. But in my opinion, after breaking out this channel, there will be a very high probability that the price may also try to break out this very long-term resistance of 1.7 cents as well. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, let me take you to the weekly time frame, and here you can see that this 1.7 cents had been previously breaking as a very strong support. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance. By the way, during this move to the downside inside this down channel, we have lost a very significant support of Ichimoku, bearish cloud support that was previously breaking as a resistance. And now after the breakout, you can see it was breaking as a support for the past few weeks, but now we have broken it down. Therefore, again, it can break as a resistance for the price line. Now, if we take a look at the technical target for this very massive breakout from this falling wedge pattern that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart, That target is here at the top of the bed. That can be between 9 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.